Hi, to use S Pen ear command feature on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10, firstly we will need to take a look at the tablet's back part, and here you see your S Pen. You'll need to simply take it out. So after that, we will need to find this button on the S Pen and click it once to enable ear commands. If something does not work right, then we would need to open settings on the device. From here on the left side, scroll to go in the advanced features, and then on the right side, select your S Pen. So here you can check its status. Mine is detached right now. We got its battery percentage. We can enable ear actions, of course, but we are interested in ear commands in this video, so let's select ear commands. First thing we can select is menu style. We got standard and compact. It would be smaller line. I want to leave standard. And now we can enable show ear command icon, which will look like that. And also open ear command with pen button. So now we can just click this button, as I said before, and open ear command. And of course, we can go in shortcuts and here add some necessary features. By default, you'll see Sketch to Image, Smart Select, Create Note, and Screen Write, which is Galaxy AI best features. And of course, we can add something from the list. We can add some apps. We can add YouTube, for example, or settings. And we can add this feature right on calendar. So let's tap on it to add. And if you want to remove some, you need to tap on this minus to remove the feature. Now let me add it and save the changes by going back. And now let's return back to the home screen. And now let's find this floating button, which is our ear commands. So we just need to tap on it and we'll see this list of features. Let's select something from the list. For example, this right on calendar, we can tap on it, and here let me turn on synchronizing. We can of course zoom in or out and just use our S Pen to write something down in the calendar. You can zoom in even more and just use it like a paper calendar. So just almost like it is a piece of paper and this is your usual pen. Of course, you can zoom out and check how it will look on your calendar. Here on the bottom, you can change the color of the pen, its intensity. You can select different type of pen. And of course, you can erase something using this eraser. And you can highlight important moments just like that. We can use this highlighter and just like with highlighter pen, we can highlight our important moments, and this is the final look. So if you are satisfied, you need to simply tap this save button and the changes would be saved in your calendar. Just tap on the icon, use any feature from ear commands. Here, don't forget to tap add button to add something else from the list, and enjoy. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.